In interactive mode, the last printed expression is assigned to the variable underscore. This means that when you are using Python as a disk calculator, it is somewhat easier to continue calculations. Let's see this in action. Here in this example, we have two variables. The first variable is tax. The value of this variable is 12.5 divided by 100. And the second variable is the price, and its value is 100.50. Then we multiply the values of these two variables together, and the result was 12.5625. Then we added the value of the variable called price to the previous result, which is 12.5625, using the underscore sign. The end result of this process is number 113.0625. If you want to round the previous result or the previous number to the nearest 2 digits after the decimal point, you can use the round function as shown here, and the result becomes 113.06. The round function has two dimensions or two parameters here. The first parameter is number you want to round, and here we use the underscore sign because we want to round the previous number. The second parameter inside the parentheses of the round function is the number of decimal digits after the decimal point you want to round to. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and understood it very well. If you need any help, don't hesitate to ask me questions, and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I am here to help you to get the most of this training. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.